Right. Good morning, students. Today our topic name binomial theorem. Bi means two, nomial means terms, binomial means two terms. Theorem binomial expansion. Two terms expansion. Here the general form x plus a whole power n. Here n is any natural number, n belongs to capital N, and x and a are real numbers. X, a real numbers. X plus a whole power n. X first term, a second term, two terms, power n, binomial expansion. X plus a whole power n equal to nc naught. Here first term x, x power n minus 0, a power 0, nc1, x power n minus 1 into a power 1, nc2, x power n minus 2, a square, and here ncr, x power n minus r, a power r, and so on. Last ncn, x power n minus n, a power n. Here x plus a whole power n contains the total number of terms nc naught, nc1, and so on, ncn. That means nc1 to ncn n and one more n plus 1 terms. Out of all these terms, this is the first term, the second term, third term. This is the r plus 1th term. Here r plus 1th term, tr plus 1. T means term, r plus 1th term. That is ncr, x power n minus r, a power r. Here x plus a whole power n, x first term, a second term. In binomial expansion, x plus a whole power n, r plus 1th term is ncr, first term x, x power n minus r into second a power r. This is very, very important. Now for solving this type of problems, we use that expansions. See the problem, one of the problem, IB inter second year, binomial IB LAQ, one of the LAQ. And the same models will come in mains also, JEE mains and MSET or advanced exam, BITSET in all competitive exams. If the coefficient of x power 10 in the expansion of this is equal to the coefficient of x power minus 10 in the one more expansion, now find the relation between a and b, where a and b are real numbers. So in the first expansion, now we have to find out the coefficient of x power 10. For finding the coefficient of x power 10 in this expansion, first to write the general term for this. General term tr plus 1, general term tr plus 1 in this. Here power 11, 11cr, here ax square, here ax square, 11 minus r into 1 by bx whole power r. This is r plus 1th term in this expansion. It is 11cr, a power 11 minus r, x square whole power 11 minus r, 1 power r 1 only, 1 by b power r into x power r. 11cr, here a power 11 minus r, here my constant is b power r denominator, here x power is 2 multiplication, 2 x power 2 into 11 minus r, 2 11 are 22 minus 2r divided by x power r. So here it is 11cr, a power 11 minus r divided by b power r, x power 22 minus 2r, r was numerator minus r, 22 minus 3r. This is r plus 1th term in the first binomial expansion, but in this we need a coefficient of x power 10. Here x power 22 minus 3r. So equate the x power to this 10. For getting the coefficient of x power 10, take 22 minus 3r equal to 10. 22 minus 3r equal to 10. Take 10 left side and 3r right side. 22 minus 10 equal to 3r, 12 equal to 3r. This problem, this is a very, very important concept. Have to remember, this is the r plus 1th term is a r plus 1th term in the binomial expansion, or one more name for this, general term. For solving this type of problems, we apply that formula. So keep that formula in mind and apply that formula for solving the coefficient of x power 10 or x power anything in the binomial expansion. So in the first expansion, here 3r equal to 12, 3r equal to 12. So r equal to r value 4, r value 4. Therefore, the coefficient of x power 10 in this expansion, this power value 10, the coefficient is this. The coefficient of x power 10 in this binomial expansion is this value, this constant. In this constant, put r value 4. Therefore, the coefficient of x power 10 in the first binomial expansion, x square plus 1 by bx whole power 11 is equal to 11cr, but r value 4, 11c4, a power 11 minus 4, a power 7, b power r, b power 4. Similarly, in the second expansion, write the r plus 1th term and find the coefficient of x power minus 10. Here in the second, in this r plus 1th term once again, 11cr ax whole power 11 minus r minus 1 by bx whole power r. In the second binomial expansion, general term, r plus 1th term. So 11cr, it is a power 11 minus r, x power 11 minus r, minus 1 power r divided by b power r into x power r. Write the constant before the variable terms, variable factors like a power 11 minus r into minus 1 power r divided by b power r into x power 11 minus 2r. But we need a coefficient of x power minus 10. For getting the coefficient of x power minus 10 in this binomial expansion, equate x power to minus 10. So for getting the coefficient of x power minus 10, take 11 minus 2r equal to minus 10. 11 minus 2r equal to minus 10, 11 plus 10 equal to 2r. Check once more this. I thought this is the mistake, one of the mistake. Checking this one, I think this is the bx square. Bx square. See the problem. Ax minus 1 by bx whole power 11. I think that is not x. It is x square. It is 21st problem. Bx square. Right? So this is the bx square. So this is the bx square. This is x power 2r. X power 2r means this is the x power minus 3r. Minus 3r. Okay, this everything is correct. Here it is a 3r. Because 21 equal to 3r, we will get r value 7. R value 7. Otherwise, if it is a 2, what happened? With only x, what happened? It becomes a 2r equal to 21. R value not an integer. But in general terms, R value is integer. Here this is very very important. In this logic, we have to remember the range of R is 0 to n. R starting 0, nc naught. R value 0, maximum n, ncn. R value 0 to n. So R is an integer part. So here, so the small correction in the problem, bx square it is. So we got r value 7. Now the coefficient of x power minus 10 in the second binomial expansion, ax minus 1 by bx square whole power 11 is equal to, so in this coefficient we have to write r value 7. So we got r value 7, that is 11c7 into a power 4 minus 1 power 7 divided by b power 7. By data, see, read the problem. See, in this problem, the coefficient of x power 10 in this expansion is equal to the coefficient of x power minus 10 in this expansion. The coefficient of x power 10 in the first binomial expansion is equal to, mathematical terminology, equal to the coefficient of x power minus 10 in the second binomial expansion. That means we have to equate these two coefficients. Already we got one coefficient. This is the one coefficient where that is the first binomial expansion we got this, and by data we can write this one as by data 11c4 into a power 7 by b power 4 equal to 11c7 into a power 4 minus 1 power 7 and minus 1, that is b power 7. But we know in the formula binomial theorem NCR equal to NC n minus R. That implies what? 11c4 equal to 11c 11 minus 4, that is 11c7. 11c4 11c7 cancel. Next, cross multiplication or this one, it is a cube divided by 1 equal to minus 1 by b cube. Here a power 4, a power 7, a power 4 cancel, a cube left, b power 4, b power 7, b power 7 is b power 4 into b cube, b power 4 cancel. Now do the cross multiplication, a cube into b cube equal to minus 1. Here it is written as a cube whole cube equal to minus 1 is minus 1 whole cube. The powers are equal, bases also equal. So AB value minus 1. So in operator they will ask what is the relation between AB. One of the option AB equal to minus 1. In this problem also they are asking find the relation between A and B, where A and B are real numbers. So AB equal to minus 1 is the answer. Okay man, clear this one? It's a very important concept. Even mains point of view, even IB, Intermediate Board, Telangana region or AP region, 1-7 marks, very important problem. Okay now, clear.